can. Let me get the rest of the stuff in here. Okay, it's ready to press the button. Press pressure cook. And then you're gonna press this one, hold it down. Keep holding it down, okay? Until I tell you when. There we go. I'm fighting the urge to decorate for spring today, y'all. We only have 9 days until the first day of spring, so thinking about bringing out those spring decorations.
A ball!
That's just a little dryer ball.
Oh yeah, can I see what it does?
Is that what it does?
Can I throw it back in there? Yeah. There we go.
Here's where I broke the window yesterday. One of the boys just put some stuff on the outside of it and taped it up out there until Titus gets the stuff that he needs to fix it. So yeah, so far today I'm doing good. I haven't broken anything. These eggs over here need to be washed, but I'm a little nervous to even tackle that. I'll probably break 10 of them. If y'all missed yesterday's video, I'll link it below for you. I told the story of how I broke that window. I started some beans in the Instant Pot earlier this afternoon. They have about 21 minutes left on the cook time. So total time about 40 minutes left on those. I'm gonna go ahead and make some cornbread. Just put some shortening in my iron skillet here. We'll put it in there and let it be melting while we mix it up. I'm just gonna use the regular skillet this time. I really like that cornbread skillet, you know, the little one that makes the cornbread wedges. That thing is not fun to clean. And today, I'm just gonna use the easy one to clean. I do really like it though, because it makes each individual piece of cornbread like its very own little pan of cornbread, and you get the crispiness all around the edges. And I just used the easy Southern cornbread recipe on the back of the Martha White cornmeal mix for white cornbread. If I use the yellow cornmeal, I have a different recipe. I'll put it down below. We like the yellow and white, but only white for cornbread dressing, which is not what I'm making tonight. But if we make cornbread dressing, only the white cornbread. We made that one time with yellow, and that was not great. I'm still trying to decide what I want to do about the meat with these butter beans and cornbread. The original plan was meatloaf, but even I wasn't in the meatloaf, I wasn't in the mood for meatloaf today.
5 liters! And it will be much more warmer.
Alright, I have decided. We're going to make poor man's hamburger steaks, but I don't have saltine crackers, and that's normally the recipe that I use for the poor man's hamburger steaks uses saltine crackers, but we're going to use breadcrumbs. So we're kind of mixing the poor man's hamburger steaks with my Salisbury steak recipe. Let's see, that's about, how many pounds of ground beef was this? This is 3 pounds. Let's see, there's about 2 pounds there, and I'm going to put this other pound in the freezer. So we've got the ground beef in there. We're going to put about a cup of breadcrumbs. This is just regular plain breadcrumbs. We're gonna put some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up my skillet over here because we're gonna cook them in the skillet a little bit at first. Then they'll go in the oven to finish cooking the rest of the way. We're gonna put about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and some of these minced onions. About 2 tablespoons and 1 egg. And that's it. We'll mix all this together and shape the patties. And we're going to cook them in the skillet, just brown them on both sides. And then we're going to put a can of cream of mushroom soup mixed with a little bit of milk and parsley over the top of them. And they'll bake for about 20 to 30 more minutes in the oven at 375. So as soon as the cornbread comes out, I'll up the temperature to 375.
Pour a little bit off the side. It makes it taste better.
What's this called again?
It's called Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee. Kind of like those Turkish figs. Hey, we can have a fig
There you go.
with our Turkish.
Oh, that'd be awesome right there. Make sure you pour a little bit off on the side when you do this. Mix it up good, real good. Folks, I don't know if I'd do it that way.
You got the fever too, the spring fever. So now what, you just let it start simmering? For how long?
However long it takes. You want to kind of heat this at a medium to a slow
Very
pace.
slow,
Yeah.
very slow.
Once it starts coming almost to a boil, you take it off and pour it in your cup.
We don't know if y'all can see that, but it's looking like a brownie in there. It even kind of smells like a brownie. Hey, you know what? If you put some little bit of coffee and brownies, I bet that would be good.
You're just about there. I'm getting that little bit of foam on the top. Right when you start getting your foam, you're just about there.
Cookie board.
Folks, y'all notice something that's changed since this last time you've seen my little board. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little cream in each cup.
Cream? Is that what they call it?
Whatever it's called. It's called foam.
Okay.
Now I'll go ahead and just... All the grounds is at the bottom. Folks, I just want to go ahead and get a cookie. Oh yeah, that's good. I really like it. That's good. That's really good.
Do you got some grounds in there?
Mm-mm.